Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn how to import data from text file and CSV file. In the previous lecture I have told you how to import data from the Excel file. But in today's lecture we are going to learn how to import data from CSV file. Now first of all let's learn how to import data from CSV file. To import data from CSV file you need the package readr. So first of all you have to install the package readr. So go to your tools and then install package, write readr and then you have to install it. Once you have installed it, then you have to go to import dataset, click from text readr. Once you are going to click over here, you will get this window, browse it, and wherever you have kept your CSV file, you have to search it. So my CSV file is this is my CSV file. Now I have to import this file. Now once you have to import the file, you have to attach the file over here. So you have to attach and you have to write the file name. So my file name is SharePrice3. Now my file is ready to work on. Now I can do any analysis on this file. Now let's learn how to import the data from text file. Now for importing the data from text file, you don't need any package. So we will just go directly to the import dataset. We will click from text base. Now see over here it's written base. That means software, your package is already installed in a software. You do not have to install any new package. Now click on this. Your search window, or you can say file choose window, will be opened. Now you have to choose the file wherever you have kept your file, which is in the form of text document. You have to choose it. So I have chosen this file SharePrice3. I have saved it as as a text form. So after that you will click on open. Once you will click on open, you will see this time. You can see whether your encoding is automatic or you want to do it any way you want. And your row names, your separator, decimal, scores and strings. Now why strings are given? Because in this file there are some terms that are missing. So that's why strings are saying that your NA will be shown. You can see over here the two terms are missing. So that's why NA.string is showing NA. Now I have to import it. Now once I import it, I have to attach the file. So again attach SharePrice3. Now my file is attached. Now it's ready to use. Now I can do any analysis on this file. But you have to remember this thing, that if you are using this command of import dataset, you cannot import any Word document, any PDF or any text file which is not numerical over here. If you are going to import any file which is not a numerical file, or you can say which is not a number file, or which is not in an Excel form, it won't be uploaded over here. That means it will not be imported over here. Let's see. Let's say I want to import one of the file which is a text file. Let's say I want to import this text file over here. Now in this text file I have just written the hare and the tortoise. Now see what the R is reading. R is reading that first variable is the, second variable is hare, third variable is X, fourth variable is the, and fifth variable is tortoise. Now if I am going to import it, now see, it will show me like this, and it will say that no data available in a table. So which shows that it will only import the table. If you are going to use this command, it will only be importing the table. Let's take one more example. Let's say I again want to upload one more file. Let's say I want to import this file. This is also a text file. And you can see that I have written over here, the hare was soon far out of sight. And to make the tortoise feel very deeply how ridiculous it was for him to try a race with the hare, he lay down beside the course to take a nap until the tortoise should catch up. Now see how it is reading, how the R is reading. It is not reading as a sentence. It will be splitted into the Excel part. And now if I am going to import it, it will show me like this. And it will say that no data is available in a table, which shows that if you are going to import any text file with the help of import dataset, it will not show you, it will not import you, and it will show that no data is available. So you cannot do any analysis over here, which shows that if you are going to import any dataset with this command, only and only the Excel, or you can say the table, will be imported from this dataset. If you want to import any Word document or any text which is written in a PDF or any text which is written in your text form, we have to use different commands. So in our next video, let's learn how we are going to import the Word document, PDF or the data from the text command. Thank you.